Dali! But I have now a very big problem, because I forgot my charging cable from my laptop in Beijing, and I will be in Dali for 4 weeks. That means if I don't find some place where I can find a charging cable which will charge my laptop, I cannot upload videos for 4 weeks. So I'm looking around, but I am in an ancient part of Dali, and yeah, as you can see, electro stores or something similar will be very difficult to find. Okay, I start doubting that I will find an electro store by just walking around, but anyway, take a look at this beautiful building. I think it's definitely worth just walking around a little bit in this ancient town. It's beautiful. Okay, I might have found a store about electricity at least. Let's check out, maybe they have it. Let's ask. Ni hao. 你有这个给电脑吗？
没有。
没有。好，谢谢。没有。Well, 没有. They don't have it. They don't have a charging cable. Let's continue. Oh, look at this. Wow. What a nice entry. I think it's a temple. Maybe I will just try to get in and see what they say. Ni hao, 我可以进来吗？我可以进来吗？可以，好，谢谢。谢谢。太美了。
你有几岁？
什么？
几岁？你几岁？年纪几岁？
工作。
1岁、2岁、3岁，你几岁？几岁？
啊，28岁。
28岁啊？哦，
对对。
好，28岁，笑了吧？
我可以。
可以。
好。我可以录像吗？
可以。
录像。
录像。
这个。可以。哪里？这里。
哪里的？这点不可以的。
OK。
录像，他们全都可以，把这个放上。
A very beautiful temple, but now it's time for something to drink, and I'm quite dry. 你好，我要一瓶水。哎，
有啥呀？
一瓶水。
好嘞。
好嘞。喝这个？
啊，
对。
3.5元。
多少钱？Okay. It's pretty difficult to understand them, even just the numbers. Yeah, I think I need to get used to this dialect. So a water and some peanuts and I'm happy again. But honestly, it's pretty easy to get lost in here. Should we take a look here? I have no idea where I'm going. No, it's private. So I'm actually looking for the lake or the Arhai, yeah. But I have no idea. I thought I'm directly going straight to it, but it's not as easy. It's some kind of a maze here, because this way I think it's also private. Yeah. No path. So let's go back and take a look for another one. So finally I found the lake. I bought myself some food, some French fries or similar to French fries, potato, and a killer for 12 kwai. I think the potato should need some more time. Anyway, I am hungry. Look at this beautiful building, and the owner seems to like windows and also mirrors. Kind of funny. Pretty, huh? Get around a little bit faster, I decided to get myself a bicycle and to see more of this beautiful place. For example, this building behind me. Wow, it's awesome here. And I found this street here is actually kind of a private street, so not many people are allowed to drive here with a car. Now you have a car here, but most of them are by bicycle or some kind of a tourist car. So it's very, very beautiful here, but I think it's time for me to at least head in the direction of my hotel, because I'm pretty far away by just walking or riding my bicycle, and this lane is just for this bicycle, so I cannot take this lane I cannot take this bicycle out of the street. So the rest of the way I anyway need to walk, so I decide to go back, and I still have a lot to do for my video today. So while on the way back to my hotel, I found a little shopping street, or similar to a shopping street with some restaurants and bars, but it's super empty. So yeah, it's nice, it's pretty, but I assume during usual vacation time in China it will be super crowded. Okay, so back to walking inside this maze. 谢谢。再见。So 23 kwai for my dinner, some water and another package of peanut. So I found another store, but it's already pretty dark and the store of course is closed. Actually, I have been to this store before in the noon and it was closed too. And my Chinese is not good enough to explain at the phone what I need from them. So for today, I think that's it. I didn't find a charger or a charging cable for my laptop. So if I don't upload a video next week, I'm very sorry, but my laptop will not have any battery anymore. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did so, subscribe my channel and also hit the thumb up. Okay, so it's day 2 in Dali and I'm going to the bus station because I want to go to the city center where I hope to find an electro store where I might get some charging cable for my laptop, because I already didn't upload yesterday one video. Yesterday was Sunday, so hopefully I will find a charging cable. Let's see.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
Okay, since I'm now in the city center of Dali and it's a little bit bigger, I got a scooter, so I get around a little bit faster.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
While looking for the electro store with my scooter, I found this beautiful piece of land where the elderly, especially elderly men, are doing their lovely hobby of flying the kite. So I'm just relaxing a little bit and then I will continue looking for the electro store. It's pretty windy.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
And now I'm taking a look for the electro store. I found one which looks a little bit bigger than the last ones, so hopefully they have some charging cable for my laptop.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling.
Okay, I would say I found it. That's the store. Let's see if they have the charging cable.
看点什么？
我找这个给我的电脑。
充电线呐、你上楼上2楼。
2楼，谢谢。你好，我找这个给电脑。
电脑？要这个线吗？
对。
充电呢？啊。没有卖嘛。
没有。
KFC 那里知道吗？
薛个台。
就 KFC 对面那条路就是了。
谢谢。拜拜，再见。Okay, in this store they don't have it, but they gave me an address where I might find a shop for my laptop. Okay, so in the first store I got the address and they told me it's in the second floor of a KFC. And now I think I found the KFC, so I will take a look inside if there's really this Din Now laptop shop. I hope so. Oh, okay, maybe not in the second floor, but in the basement. Let's see. Here's at least an electro store. 你好，我找这个给我的电脑。
这里没有。
没有。
一个。
是不是哪这里？
那里。
Okay, misunderstanding. It's not in this building. It's across the street. Ni hao. 我找充电电缆给我的电脑。
我看一下。应该有的。19.3.4。
Okay, they have it. I wait a little bit and they bring it to me. Well, yeah, I got the charging cable and now should I go back to the hotel and finish the video, or should I first take a look here around? Yeah, I will first take a look around. Sorry for uploading late, but anyway, I got a charging cable. Now you have also seen some parts of Dali city center and I found my charging cable, which means for today's video that's enough. I will explain in my next video what I am doing for 4 weeks in Dali, and I will just look a little bit around with my scooter and see you the next time.